Okay, right here we have the MEGATECH GLADIATOR TEMPEST. What I'm gonna do is just try to start it up. It's a cool little truck. It's a 1/10 scale, and I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I haven't broken anything yet. It's a real nice truck, nice nitro engines. Got the M16 in it, and it's pretty cool. I like it. Let me go ahead and take this cover off, and we're gonna get my glow plug, set it on here, cover the exhaust, get some feel on the line, and I'm gonna go for it. It's got the pull string on it, kind of sucks. Brake system. Looks like it's working. To shut it off, I'm gonna have to pinch the line. Every time it starts to run lean, it'll kind of, the throttle, the idle will go up a little. That's because it's running out of fuel, so it'll start to run lean. That's the way you do it. But yeah, that's it. It started up pretty good. All I needed was a glow plug, some fuel in the fuel tank, and you guys seen it. So, GLADIATOR TEMPEST by MEGATECH. Nice, cool little truck.